Good morning, and hello, lovely viewers and subscribers. This is L.tuesday, and today is Lucky Tuesday. Once again, we are grateful to be alive. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and do me a favor to subscribe. Do me a favor and subscribe it for me. Okay, so I have a lovely plan today. Not only one plan, but about 7 plans. Some of them confirming the same numbers and the others giving the different bankers. So let's see what we can get from these plans. Okay, so this is the Lucky Tuesday paper itself, year 2020. Some time ago I made this plan, but I marked this plan, I showed this, but I didn't make a video. But the banker dropped live, and even the position I showed played. So I think the continuation is taking place, and because I was in school I didn't know. So this is the Lucky Tuesday 2020, event 676. A number should play at center 41, and the following week repeat to lap it 41 at the same position. It says the following week 45 is a constant banker and should play at 4th box, a key to the plan. So after this 45, says the number that will lap it the following week should play with it away, home and away, 47-74 at 2nd and 4th box position. Okay, so let's compare to the first one, the second move. Okay, this is the current plan, 2021. Lucky Tuesday 707. A number should play at center, and the following week repeat to lap that same number at same position, 67 at center. It says the following week 45 is the key to this plan, should drop at 4th box position, and the following week a number should lap it to play with it home and away, 24-42 position, 2nd and 4th box. Okay, so after these settings, let's go to the first one. It says after these settings, after the key drops and the home and away drops the following week, it says another key is 70 at event 684. This 70 should play at center box position and connect with 36 on that same line. 26 on that same line. So at machine you should play with a 2nd and the 4th machine number, 2783. So what happened here was the numbers at machine, when the 70 played at center, the key with 26, the key should play at center with 26 and connect with 2nd and 4th machine numbers. So what happened here is that the 4th machine number should play and repeat the following week, whilst the 2nd machine number 27 should go -2 and play at winning last box position. Okay, so let's compare. So when we come here, after the 45 and the following week the home and away drops at 2nd and 4th box position, it says let's wait for the 2nd key, which is 70, to drop at center position and connect with 26 at winning. So on that same line at machine, it's connected with 36 2nd box machine number and 41 4th box machine number. So what the first plan did should also happen here. So here the 41 at 4th box should play and repeat the following week, whilst the 36 at 2nd box should go -2 and play at last box, winning. Okay, so let's move on. So after these settings, it says counting ways 87 should drop at machine, constant key at machine, whether first or last, the same position. 87 dropped at last box here and connected with addition 111 36 75, addition 111 111. So after this addition and the 87 at machine, it says the number that went -2 27 to 25 and played at last box here should jump after the addition at the last box, winning 1 to 90. I do remember this plan, I had it live. Okay, so the second move, it says after these settings, it says 87 should play at machine first box here and connect with addition 111 at winning, 4764 addition 111, 111 at winning. So it says after this addition and 87 at machine, the 34 that played at last box here should jump to last box again. We had this banker live. This banker was live. Okay, so let's move on. So you can see that there's a continuation after this 25 drops live. It says counting with the key 70 should jump to last box. The key 70 should jump to last box. You may think this 25 counted, but 70 is a constant banker and it's a key to the plan. It doesn't change. So it jumps to the last box here. And from there, 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. It says another key should drop 73 at position, second box, and connect with 25. The 25 that was at last box here and jump to last box should also jump to play with the 73. The key, another key, third key, should jump to play with the 73. Okay, so he says after that this 45, the first key that's played after the lap should also jump the following week after this 73-25 drops, should jump to follow. Okay, so let's continue. So you see after this 34 jumps to last box, it says let's wait for the second key, which is 70, to also jump to last box. This 70 to jump to last box, and when it jumps to last box, we should also wait 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third key 73 to also play at second box position. And when it's coming, the 34 that played at last box here and jumped to last box here winning should also jump and play with the 73 third key to give us 73 34. So he says after these two numbers, the following week, let the first key, which was 45, the first key was 45, should also follow these two numbers after. Okay, so let's move on. So when we come to the first plan, it says after the 45, it says let's wait for this 45 to counter to last box 90. This 45 should counter to last box 90 position. Okay, so in the second plan too, it says this 45 should counter to last box 90. Should counter to last box 90. Okay, so let's move on. So when this number counted to last box, it says counting with, which is the same counting with from 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down exactly today. 81 should play at first box. 81 should play at first box and changing key and connect with 41, also an unchanging key. So after this 81 41 says the following week, the 90 is 1 to 90. The 90 should drop live. 90 should drop live. 90 should drop live. Carry this banker 1 to any amount you want. Carry this banker 90 to any amount you want. Okay, so let's move on with the second plan. So you see after this banker 45 counter to last box here, it says 10 weeks down from the 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 81 should play at first box position machine and connect with 41 also at machine. So after these two numbers, it says the 90 is live today. 90 is live today. 90 is live today. So you see this nice plan. If the 90 doesn't drop, then these people are robbing us. Okay, let me give you another banker. Okay, let me confirm the 90 for you with other plans. I'm going to counter. I'm going to confirm the 90 with other plan. This is also the current plan 2021. Okay, so I marked this plan with black pen, so follow the black pen. This is 45 at event 708 first box winning. So when this 45 drops, it says 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ending 3 should drop at second box position 53. So after this 53, it says 1, 2, 3, 4 is down. 34 should play. When this 34 drops, it says the following: this 34 should repeat and play with single 968 to give 3 direct single 968 34. Okay, let's compare it with the second one too. With the second one, at event 725, instead of 46, it played single 1 at first box. It used single 1 at first box representing 46, their counterpart. So from here, also 1, 2, 3, 4 is down. An ending 3 should drop at second box. An ending 3 should drop at second box, winning. Then from there, 1, 2, 3, 4 is down again. 34 is our banker. After this 34 drop, it says the following should repeat and play with single 968 to give 3 direct single 9 34 68. Okay, so let's move on with the first plan. So when these 3 direct drops, drop, it says the following week this ending 3 that drop at second box, you should jump the following week to play after the 3 direct 53 jump. Okay, so with the second one, it also happened in the same way. Okay, after the 3 direct single 9 34 68, this ending 3 13 should also jump and follow to give 13. Okay, so let's move on. So you can see that after the 53, it says this 46 should counter and play with the constant number 90 single 190 to give single 190 as 2 directs. Okay, so when we come to the second move, this is what also happened. After the 53, it says the following: this single 1 should counter to 46 and play with the constant number 90 to give 46 90. 46 90. I do remember this plan. I didn't see this one first, but I used 64 90 as my 2 show because it was also on another plan. And when it played 46, I searched and then found out that this single 1 counted to 46, just like the 46 did. Counted to 41. Single 1, sorry. So after this 46 90, let's see what happened again. After the single 190, it says counting with. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is down. 67 should drop at first box. 67 should drop at first box and connect with a machine number 56. Connect with machine number 56. So the following week, this 56 should drop life at winning. This 56 should drop life at winning. Okay, so when we come to the first one, it says after the 9046 drop, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is down. 67 should drop at first box and also connect with machine number 14. Here was at first box. So it says the following: this 14 is 1 to 90 and the 14 drops. So with the first plan, when the 67 dropped at position and connected with 56, which also dropped the following week, it says after that, counting with 1, 2, 3, 4 is down. 12 should drop at machine. 12, one of the keys, 12 should drop at machine. After the drop, 12 drops at machine. It says the following week 90 is a constant banker. The 90 should jump live. The 90 should jump live. 90 should jump live. Okay. So when we come to the first plan, the second plan, sorry, it says after the 67 drops and connected with 14, the following week 14 dropped live. It said 4 is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 should drop at machine. 12 should drop at machine and also 12 should drop at machine, and after the 12 drops at machine, it says the following week the 90 should jump live to give 90 1 to 90. The 90 is 1 to 90. This 90 should drop live and colored. Okay, I'm giving you more plans to confirm the 90. Today we are going to get a long video, but don't worry, we are going to win. Okay, so this is the third plan, also confirming 90. Lucky Tuesday itself, 2013, at event 302, 90 should drop and 3 weeks down, 73 at position last box. So here, you see, this 73 stands for a number. Okay, let me count. From the 73, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down, 24 should drop and connect with single one at last box machine position. Says after that, this 73 should drop after the 24 and repeat the following week and repeat the following week. Okay, to last box. So you see, when it's repeated to following week, says the following week 81 should also drop at first box machine, and after this 81 drops at first box machine, the following week it says 90 is a constant banker. Here was at fourth box, just like the first plan at fourth box. Use the 90, go 1 to 90, 90 to 1 to 90. Okay, this is it. Here you see 90 dropped here and 3 is down, 73 at last box, 73 at last box. So after the 73, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says 24 should drop and connect with single one at machine last box position. After this connection, it says, you see here, the trick was, I really saw this plan, but the trick was this double 5. This double 5 represented the 73 in the first plan. That was also at last box, but when you come here to 73 is also there. Okay, so let me show you what I'm trying to mean. This 73, after the 24 drops, should jump to lap the 24. The 24 played and connected with single one. So after that, this 73 should jump and lap the 24. And when we come to the first plan, they are all group 1, 73 and double 5. They are all group 1. So you see what happened here. This double 5, group 1, like 73 group 1, but the 73 is at position. After the 93 is down, let's say it dropped double 5, which is also group 1. So the same counting is after 24 single 1. It says this group 1 should jump to lap 25. So to lap 24, double 5. Then in the first plan, you see after the 24, 73, it says the following, like the 73 repeats. So when I saw this plan, I said the following week, this double 5 should repeat. But Lotto is very tricky. You see, it's never used the double 5, but rather used the double 6 and repeated it to last box. This was the 73 repeated to last box. Then after the following week, it says 81 should play at machine. So after the double 6, it says 81 should drop at machine, first box position. And after the 81 at first box position, it says the following week, this 90 should jump live, 1 to 90. Okay. And that was my third plan. Let's move to the fourth plan, also confirming a different banker. Confirming a different banker. So this is Lucky Tuesday 2009. Event 104. 24 dropped at first box position, connecting with 21 also at position, last box machine. So from there 1, 2, 3, 4, it says 10 is a banker. After the 10, it says there's a home and away on this event, 86, 68, but I prefer the 86 because it's slapping the 10. Okay, it's slapping the 10. So this one also happens here. 24, it's single one at position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 never drop at first box, but rather at last box, which is the same thing. So after that, it says 86 should drop and lap it to give 86. But you can also add the 68 because home and away can drop. See how Lotto plays its numbers. So this is the confirmation of 86. 2011, a simple plan here. 25 drop and connected with 81 at first box. Says the following week, 86 lapped 25. 86 lapped 25. So you see, it could be that you see how the 10 is 25 is at first box here, and instead of the 10 dropping at first box, it's swapped with the 25, and the 25 is now at first box. So if here the 86 is lapping 25, it means the 86 is lapping the first box winning number today, which is at first box here. That is the trick. Okay, so that is what happened. 25 at first box, connect with 81 at machine last ball. It says the following week 86 should lap 25. Okay, so that was the first plan. I'm going to confirm. I'm going to confirm the 1986 on one event for you using a transfer plan. Okay, this is midweek. This is midweek. Midweek 2009. Okay, 2019. Sorry, 2019. At event 831, 15 drop at winning and connected with 38 at machine. Here played at last ball. So he says the following week double six is constant. After the double six, 25 should play at first box and this 15 should counter to 60. So after that he says 90. The banker 90 is here with the 86, also lapping the number that counted 86 90. 86 90. So you can see that 86 came from machine here. 86 at second box machine. Jump to win in life. Jump to win in life. Okay, let me show you something. This is very, very bad and very tricky. So you can see from here that double five, first one used 15 and then 5, here used double 5, which is the same, and then 5 played and connected with 38. The first one was at last box, but here at first box the same thing. So after the connection it says the following double 6 is a banker. After the double 6 it says 25 should play at first box and this double 5 should counter to 10. So when this number counted to 10, you see when this number double 5 counted to 10, says the following week 90 should drop and play live with 86. So as I was saying in the first plan, that 86 was at second box here and should jump to winning. You see here the 40 is the string key for 86. So it's a trick. It's a trick that this 40 is here instead of 86. So he says the following 86, which is the same as 40 because that is the string key. Just like counterparts, they are all the same. So this 86, let's say 86 is here, should jump to winning. But Lotto is very tricky, so you can even pick the 40. For me, I prefer the 86 because I've confirmed it many times. Okay. So if I'm to say I'm going to show you plans, I'm going to show you a lot of plans. So let's end it here. Let me give you the numbers that are likely to drop. Today is Lucky Tuesday. Lucky Tuesday. This is used banker 90, first banker, which is life, and the second banker is 86. So the two sure, as you can see, is 9086. 9086. 9086. Stake high, please. Stake high. The 9086 is very, very strong. Carry the 90, 1 to 90. Carry the 90 to 1 to 90. Okay, so let's spam this event. 90, 86, and let's use the away also. The home and away can draw. And the 40 that represented the 86. The 40 that also represented the 86. But I also saw some 58. I didn't show it. The video could be more. I mean, it could be long. 58. So this is the two show, like I told you. The two show, like I told you. If you stick the 9086, you can also use the 90 40, or then any of them. The 90 is a banker, and this is my reward line: 059605 8833. That is my Momo line, and also my call line. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 0540 444 173. Okay, so this is Little Shutter. Please subscribe the video for me. Please do the subscription for me. I beg you. Bye bye. Love you all.